Tired of plain, boring water that just doesn't cut it? Here are the 5 best Fruit Infuser water bottles I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, HIWARE Fruit Infuser Pitcher. Let's kick things off with the HIWARE Fruit Infuser Pitcher. Priced at $22.98, this beauty caught my eye thanks to its elegant design and impressive 2-liter capacity. If you want a stylish way to create delicious infused drinks for gatherings or just to enjoy at home, this is worth a serious look. The HIWARE pitcher is made from borosilicate glass, which means it's not only lighter but also stronger than regular glass, perfect for both hot and cold beverages. It can withstand temperatures from 0 to 300, so you can safely brew tea or fill it with ice water. The removable infuser allows you to refill fruits or herbs without taking everything apart, which is a huge time saver. Plus, the ergonomic handle and flip-top lid make pouring easy and mess-free. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You can keep your drinks fresh and flavorful without the hassle of constant refills. With over 700 units sold in the last month, people are clearly loving it. Now, some people complained about the pitcher being a bit heavy when full. Here's the thing though, if you want a durable pitcher that looks good on your table and can brew a variety of drinks, I'd say the weight is a small trade-off. This is perfect for you if you frequently host parties or enjoy infused drinks at home. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra-lightweight for on-the-go hydration. For $22.98, you're getting quality and style. Now, if the HIWARE pitcher's weight concerns you, the next option is a much lighter alternative. Product number 2, Brima Fruit Infuser Water Bottle. Next up is the Brima Fruit Infuser Water Bottle, which retails for just $12.97. This bottle stood out to me because of its practicality and portability. If you want to infuse your water while on the go, this is a fantastic choice. The Brima bottle holds 32 ounces, which is a great size for workouts or hikes. It's made of durable plastic, meaning it's lightweight and shatter-resistant. The flip-top lid is leak-proof, so you can toss it in your gym bag without worry. One of the best features is the built-in infuser. Just fill it with your favorite fruits or herbs, and you can enjoy refreshing flavors throughout your day. The fact that it has been bought over 400 times this past month shows how popular it is. However, some users mention that the plastic can retain odors from strong flavored fruits. Now I'll be real with you, if you're someone who changes up your flavors a lot, this might be a slight hassle, but a quick wash usually does the trick. This is perfect for anyone who leads an active lifestyle and loves hydration on the go. Skip this one if you prefer glass or find strong scents bothersome. At $12.97, it's an affordable and practical option. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a pitcher for home use. Product number 3, Prodden Fruit Infusion Flavor Pitcher. Now let's look at the Prodden Fruit Infusion Flavor Pitcher, priced at $24.22. What really caught my attention was its large 93-ounce capacity, perfect for parties or family gatherings. If you want something that can serve multiple people at once, this is worth considering. This pitcher is made from BPA-free acrylic, ensuring that you're not compromising on safety while enjoying your drinks. It features a removable hollow rod that can be filled with fruits or herbs, allowing for maximum flavor infusion. The open slots in the rod let the flavors mix beautifully with the liquid, making it easy to enjoy tasty beverages without the hassle. Plus, the clear design looks fantastic on the table. With 400 units sold recently, this pitcher is clearly appealing to many. One downside noted by some users is that it requires hand washing. Now here's the thing, while this might be inconvenient for some, the flavor and aesthetic benefits far outweigh the minor hassle of cleaning. This is perfect for those who love hosting and want a stylish way to present infused drinks. Skip this if you're looking for something that's dishwasher-friendly. At $24.22, it's a great value for its size and functionality. Now, if you're after something even more portable, the next product might fit your needs perfectly. Product number 4, Zule Fruit Infuser Water Bottle. Up next is the Zule Fruit Infuser Water Bottle, priced at $14.99. This one grabbed my attention with its eye-catching sunrise orange color and its 34-ounce capacity. If you want a stylish bottle that helps you stay hydrated and healthy, check this out. The Zule bottle is made from Triton material, which is not only durable but also shatter-resistant. It's designed with a built-in filter to keep seeds and pulp from getting in your drink, making every sip enjoyable. The flip-top lid creates an airtight seal, making it leak-proof, so you can carry it anywhere without worrying about spills. What surprised me is the included recipe ebook, giving you 11 different infuser ideas. That's a great bonus for anyone looking to mix things up. With over 200 units sold this month, it's gaining traction. However, some users reported that the infuser rod might not hold enough fruit for intense flavors. Here's the thing, if you prefer lighter infusions or drink lots of water, this won't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for fitness enthusiasts or anyone who loves to hydrate creatively. Skip this if you need something for heavy infusions. For $14.99, it's a solid investment for daily hydration. Now, if you're looking for more versatile options, let's check out the last product on our list. Product number 5, 2-pack Fruit Infuser Inserts. Finally, we have the 2-pack Fruit Infuser Inserts for wide-mouth water bottles, priced at just $6.49. This caught my eye because it's a game changer if you already own a compatible bottle. If you want to enhance your existing water bottles with infusion capability, you need to see this. The fine mesh design ensures maximum flavor release without any residue. The secure, leak-proof fit means you don't have to deal with any floating fruit chunks blocking your straw. What's cool is that these inserts are also ice cube compatible, so you can enjoy chilled drinks without dilution. This product has been bought 200 times this month, showing it's a popular choice among users. One downside is that it doesn't come as a standalone bottle, which could be a drawback for those looking for a full package. But honestly, if you have a bottle you love, these inserts are an inexpensive and effective upgrade. This is perfect for anyone who wants to add infusion capabilities to a bottle they already own. Skip this if you're looking for a complete water bottle. At $6.49, it's a budget-friendly option that delivers great value. To wrap things up, we've covered some fantastic options. The HIWARE pitcher for style, the Brima bottle for portability, the Prodden pitcher for gatherings, the Zule bottle for fitness enthusiasts, and the 2-pack inserts for versatility. Trophy, if I had to pick just one, I'd go with the HIWARE pitcher because it balances elegance and functionality perfectly. Avoid the Zule bottle if you want something for heavy infusions, as it may not meet your needs. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.